इस साल के टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स ऑफिशियली पोस्टपोन हो चुके हैं। हाँ जी, द 2020 टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स हैव ऑफिशियली बीन पोस्टपोन्ड अंटिल द समर ऑफ 2021।
We have to postpone the Olympic and Paralympic Games Tokyo 2020 to the year 2021.
इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी प्रेसिडेंट थॉमस बाक ने ये अनाउंसमेंट की आफ्टर अ फोन कॉल विद जापानीज प्राइम मिनिस्टर शिंजो आबे, जब आबे ने खुद प्रपोज किया कि ये गेम्स पोस्टपोन कर दिए जाएं बिकॉज ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस आउटब्रेक। इस ओलंपिक गेम्स की ओपनिंग सेरेमनी 24 जुलाई 2020 को होनी थी, पर नाउ आफ्टर द कॉन्वर्जेशन बिटवीन ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स ये समझ में आ रहा है कि ओलंपिक गेम्स अब अंटिल द समर ऑफ 2021 पोस्टपोन हो चुके हैं। दैट्स अबाउट आई एम गेसिंग टिल अबाउट अगस्त ऑफ 2021 से पहले ये गेम्स होने चाहिए। हिस्ट्री में 3 बार ओलंपिक गेम्स कैंसिल किए जा चुके हैं, ऑल ड्यू टू वर्ल्ड वॉर्स, पर कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि पोस्टपोन हुए हों ओलंपिक गेम्स। दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट द ओलंपिक्स आर बीइंग पोस्टपोन, सो इट्स अ फर्स्ट, सो देयरफॉर देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ टफ डिसीजंस टू मेक फॉर द IOC एंड जापान's organizing committee.
We are facing an unprecedented challenge again now because the Olympic Games are the most complex event on this planet. We have to get together 11,000 athletes from 206 national Olympic committees and the IOC refugee Olympic team in one place.
पोस्टपोनमेंट तो अनाउंस कर दी है, पर टफ डिसीजंस क्या होंगे ओवर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू वीक्स? वेल, फर्स्टली देयर इज द डेट। 33 स्पोर्ट्स इन्वॉल्व हैं इस टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में, एंड ऑलमोस्ट ईच एंड एवरी स्पोर्ट हैज़ अ बिग इवेंट प्लान्ड इन 2021. In fact, the big 3 of the Olympic Games, track and field, gymnastics and swimming, all have the World Championships scheduled for 2021. Swimming World Championships are in Japan itself from 16 July to 1st August. The Athletic Championships are from 6th August to 15th August. And then the Gymnastics World Championships from 18th October to 24th October. There's also the already postponed European Football Championships, जिन्होंने पहले ही अपना postponement announce कर दिया था last week. 11 June to 11 July का prime window उन्होंने अब claim कर लिया है अगले summer के लिए. So that is not a tournament that will be moved. So उसके around Olympics को अब plan करनी पड़ेंगी. There is also the matter of athletes fatigue to be accounted for. वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स और ओलंपिक्स में compete करना बैक टू बैक विद इन अ फ्यू वीक्स isn't really ideal. अगली जो चीज़ है which will be something that will prove to be a bit of a problem for the Japan organizing committee is the venue of the games and the venue for where the players and of course the fans coming in for the Olympic Games were going to stay. While the newly built $1.5 billion stadium in Tokyo will be there next year as well, there are a lot of complications the IOC will have to deal with regarding venues and hotels over the next few weeks. The Athletes Village, जहाँ पे सारे athletes आके रहने वाले थे टोक्यो में, that is supposed to be converted into a residential complex and handed over after the Paralympic Games this year. वो plan change होगा. Japan of course has already spent $25 billion almost on these Olympic Games, and according to national newspapers बोला जा रहा है कि और $6 billion का कॉस्ट उन्हें इनकर करना पड़ेगा अगर now that the Olympic Games have been moved. और फाइनल एक पॉइंट एथलीट्स, while the athletes are of course happy कि गेम्स अभी नहीं हो रहे हैं क्योंकि most can't train right now, all of them have been training over the last Olympic cycle to peak at the right time कि जुलाई अगस्त के विंडो में is when they're in peak form, उनकी फिटनेस अच्छी हो ताकि they could compete at of course the greatest show on earth, the Olympic Games. अब वो प्लान एक साल से पोस्टपोन हो जाना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, थोड़ा क्या बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है. People like MC Mary Kom, Allyson Felix. Mary Kom of course will be 38 by the time the games roll in. Also a 6-time Olympic gold medalist Allyson Felix, she will also be 35 by the time the Tokyo Olympics actually take place now. But of course both women have welcomed this decision because if anyone can beat age in say who else but them. It also works in favor of some athletes, so somebody like a Kevin Durant, the basketball player, or Andy Murray, the tennis player. Both of them are injured currently, so they can get back in form for the Tokyo Olympics. But this is bound to be somewhat of a setback for somebody like a Leander Paes. He announced at the beginning of the year that this would be his one last roar. Leander ने बोला था कि ये एक लास्ट ईयर है, उसके बाद वो रिटायर करने वाले हैं. So it remains to be seen if that deadline gets extended और वो अपने Olympic hopes को थोड़ा चांस देना चाहेंगे कि नहीं. But then we have to see the positive side as well. Somebody like a Saina Nehwal or Kidambi Srikanth weren't really doing so well in the circuit this year round. They do get another 12 months to pick up their game, get back in the game and get fit and jump back into the circuit and actually do really, really well and qualify for the Tokyo Olympics. So while of course this decision is a big setback for all the stakeholders, sponsors, athletes, there is a silver lining. At least they didn't cancel the games. There is now something bright to look forward to at the end of this dark circle that is the coronavirus pandemic. As was said by Thomas Bach, that let's use the Olympic Games next year as to show that everybody can come together despite going through such a setback that is now this virus. So well, let's end this on a positive note and look forward to what is the 2020 Tokyo Olympics in 2021.